Damn, your odds in this are pretty fucking. Oh, please, let's go.
Okay, so the thing is, we have 3 keys to start with.
Yeah.
And if we don't get anything, it's goodbye. Which one do we start with? The cheapest? Or like the most expensive?
Yeah.
Cheapest, okay.
Yeah. CSGO 20.
Okay,
It's
wildfire. We want the wildfire, the hydra.
I was
and
an inch
classic.
away from getting the golden from us. What's it called? Combination. I was like an inch away from getting that last time.
Let's go.
Gaben! Come on, Gaben. Gaben, please, please. I PayPal you $50. Oh.
Spectrum this time.
Gaben, please accept my PayPal bribe. Oh, you have fever dream off
Gaben,
this.
Gaben.
Please, please, Gaben, please.
In addition,
Oh.
Gaben,
Gaben, what are you doing? Gaben, why? Why don't you like this?
Gaben.
Don't do that. Don't put it on the default off. Remember, no Gaben.
Only Gaben. There's only Gaben.
Oh,
Purple. Aw. Let's quick open one.
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh! No, I think that's just the key.
I think
Go out.
that's Gaben putting the butterfly knife in there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fucking Gaben. It's fucking new though. So that's like
Looks like a
20 then. Maybe. Oh!
Okay, fact me, this is. If fact knew, I'd make my money back with it. But it's not.
Minimum wear. Close to go.
I'm just gonna speed open them all.
Ah, come on, Gaben doesn't like that. Gaben doesn't like it. Take your time for Gaben. Oh, that was a red right off the star. I just saw a pink. Gaben, why? Why must you do this to us? Gaben! No. It's not Tuesday. Oh, let's go. God, stop quick opening them. It's battle scared, holy shit.
There's no. No. Oh, I.
Oh! Oh!
That track. That track.
No!
That was hard. That's 2 cases. I don't want to work. Oh.
That's the little revolver. That's the red.
I would have liked that, because that's good. Where's the delay? Oh!
Oh, it's that track looks back new.
That might be worth it. That... I think we might be able to get one more. Oh. I want them?
Yes.
I don't know I want them.
Alright, well, you're taking. Oh.
Losing 68. Nice price.
Stop the car.
Whoa, don't steal the address. Jeez, man.
Oh! Oh! The Steam server's actually with them. Update, even though it's not even in this case.
That's it. That's it.
Oh. Yeah.
No, no. Why did... No. Oh, come back down, come back down, come back down.
welcome back to another vlog. Today I will be shoving my dick in a blender. Didn't like that.
That's the end of the video, guys. Remember, if you want to donate to the poor,
Please, we need to get this man
trade dicks
help.
in the description.